Today, would you place this button? Let's see. And one random press will be the 100k points, so you get the first press. That quest is hit the gritty or floss dance. Either one of those. Well, and now let me press the button. I gotta try the Mannequin challenge, so let me try. Oh, I can't see me. So let me do the Mannequin challenge.
Hello. I just got a #1 victory Royale on my second game. I was actually thinking of that song. But I killed them in a car as well.
Now let's see your votes.
I got like 13 points, maybe. I don't know.
That's it. Now you gotta sing a random
I have
brain
no
rock song.
idea. Apparently this name
Now you gotta sing the most
like,
popular part of the random
last
brain
year
rock
when I
song.
tried to download it again, but it didn't work. I've tried to download it so many times.
Like it says gadaggedy of gadaggedy
download it on PC, but the username is confusing.
Gadaggy dag da oh. Now let me press the button. Now I gotta and then I'm gonna
What? Where did what?
I gotta hit the booty.
It's not exactly that. It's like confusing when I haven't loaded yet.
Okay, now you press the button.
Nope.
Now you press the button.
Okay, I got a Mercurial, I don't know.
Try to look at new.
Shogun umbrella.
It says new.
I don't know
You
yet.
got a new.
Okay, I'm gonna copy and paste it.
Now where you press the button. It says try to wave one out. So let me try it.
What? I know. This wasn't what?
Anyway. Now let me press the button.
Hold on.
And let me put the mic here. Okay, now we got now
I expect.
oh
Okay.
Since it's 9
changed it
and also
to
since it's 9:25 p.m. It's late night and I got a button and it says get a late night snack. So yeah.
Why does it say snack?
So
we are doing
I got the lucky one. So let me do
Why can't I just accept?
one.
There's fireworks? It didn't give me an option to
You
accept.
press
It
the
just
button,
told
I'll
me,
do that.
hey, you should get a duo with that guy that just friended you. Hold on. I have accepted. It said accept invite and then, okay, hello. I did, but I didn't like it. It's kanji. Oh, 148, what about it? I'll be in a hard level, the hard lobby.
Okay.
Uh,
One
Hold on.
But before I press the button, let me finish this.
It's telling me I have 3 things to claim. Enable autoclaim. None of them are that good. What? None of the stuff I got was good. It was just
Okay,
the
let me
furry
press the
thing.
button. Ooh, let's see what I got. It says,
Yeah.
it says, leave it to the mind.
Yes.
Okay, you do yours
Unranked
now.
ballistic is disabled until a future update will resolve an issue.
Push the
That's what
button.
it said.
Okay, push the button.
Lost to extend in wind.
Okay.
Dark hit the desk.
What was it? What you got is get a drink of water.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sure. The actual
He's getting a
unloaded
drink
part
of water.
of
Let me press it.
the not white part of the connecting bar is actually loading this time. It hasn't shown up any of the other times.
What I got is 5 of 350 degrees right. Let me try it again.
Really?
Okay, I had a drink of water.
Okay.
Is it my turn?
Yeah.
Brutal. Yeah.
Um.
You can see my beacon, can't you?
You got ready.
Okay. Yeah. I haven't played this game in a while.
Let me see what I got. Okay. I got do the Mr.
Oh
Beast
god,
with
everything
dance.
looks different now.
I think I'm good at the dance. Let me see.
No, everything just finally loaded in, and everything looks different.
Okay.
This tree is so annoying.
Okay.
Mr. Beast, yes.
What?
Wait, I got the exact same as you. Wait, I got get a drink of water, so I'm gonna get a drink of
What do you mean? I know. I can't. I couldn't sprint, so I was waiting to get onto first time doing that.
Okay. What paused it?
That
Too
black.
bad, I'm better.
Did you do it? Did you do it?
I
Did
have
you
not
pause it?
changed my sensitivity,
Yes.
so
Okay, now let me press the button.
button. So poorly, but
Okay. Now I got
no idea.
I got
Lost Meadows, I guess.
wear headphones for the rest of the video.
What? Oh, okay. There was only one.
Let's see what you get when pressing it.
Okay. Oh, what? Oh my god.
Wait, you also got wear headphones for the rest of the video.
Whoops, amazing.
Anyway, now he's wearing headphones. Now let me push the button. Okay, guys, I got changed
Alright,
my
I have
headphones.
5
So
minutes.
I had to change my headphones to my headphones that I got in 2023. So let me
Sure.
use them.
There you go.
I pretty love cats, so that's why I got this one.
Oh, I wanna go. I can't find the chest there, so I give up.
This
It
feels
says there
more
was a
like
chest,
getting a
I couldn't find it,
headset
so I
in.
give up.
Oh, look! Oh. Anyway. Now, let me see. Let me push the button. Now let me push the button. I won
How
the
do I get out of
100k
the building?
points.
No,
Bye guys.
Q,
Okay,
yeah.
bye.
Okay.
Get that camera out of my face.